Hi, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to make tacos de cecina, an easy recipe and delicious. So here's what you're gonna need for the ingredients. Cecina, of course, but if you can find cecina, you can always use another type of meat, chicken or steak. I have my pack of tortillas. These are tortillas especially for tacos. 1 whole onion, 2 bunches of cilantro. I have my green onions and 2 nopales or cactus and 2 limes. So first we're gonna slice our nopales. And I'm gonna take just a little bit of the green onions off. And the next step is I'm gonna toast this. So I'm gonna throw them here on my griddle so they can start cooking. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna cut my meat. For this meat, you don't have to add anything, not oil, not salt. That's why this recipe is so easy, because the meat is just ready to cook. So the amount of meat I'm using is 3 pounds. These 3 pounds of meat is gonna be for a family of 5. And they eat about 5 tacos each, if not more. So 3 pounds is just perfect. So we're gonna add some salt to the nopales and the onions. And I'm also gonna turn them over. You gotta cook this for a few minutes. Make sure they don't get burned, but that they have this look. You can see it. And now I'm gonna remove them from the heat. Throw in my meat. See, remember when I told you it's not a lot? It sounds like a lot of meat, but it's not. And while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna chop my cilantro and my onions. I'm gonna try to do this fine. So after a few minutes, my meat is ready and I'm gonna take it out. So the next step is gonna be the tortillas. I'm gonna put some oil in it. And we're gonna heat the tortillas. So next, we got the meat, tortillas, and we're gonna make our tacos. Making. So we're adding the cecina. Gonna add some cilantro. Some onions. And we're gonna add some salsa. Here I have my salsas. If you wanna see how I make mine, you can go and check my other videos. We got some red sauce. And gonna use some green. I'm gonna add some nopales to the side. And some onions. And some lime. So here are my tacos. So now I'm gonna try them. And I'm gonna add some lime to the nopales and the onions. These are really good. And the sauce is spicy, but not too much. So let me know what you think. And let me know in the comments. So if you like this easy and delicious recipe, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.